Hello everyone, how are you going today? Today I'd like to make a short video about CryptoBlades and how I use the fight simulator to increase the odds of winning a battle. And also that I've noticed some changes in how the devs may have changed the algorithm. Although I can't prove it. It seems to me the odds of winning many battles with just the one weapon in your account have decreased compared to previously. And I'll demonstrate that in some gameplay. So now I think it pays to have a similarly powered weapon in your account on standby when the odds are not in your favor. One last thing I want to address in this video is an imposter, Crypto Simplified, who came very late to the scene and has just copied my YouTube channel name. The cheek of the guy. But I will save that juicy info for the end of the video, so please watch all the way through. So without further ado, let's get started. The fight simulator looks like it's way too time consuming to use, but actually it'll save you a lot of time. And click run. It will tell you precisely the likelihood of winning against each opponent. While you're waiting for your transaction to process on another tab, you can go on over to your next character and check the chances of winning. Okay, this will save you a lot of time. So in any case, there will come a time where it might be a bit risky to fight and your chances of winning aren't so good. So, if you change your weapon, you'll get a whole new set of options. So in this case, it really pays to have a similarly powered weapon handy and ready to go. Alright, and in my opinion, I think this has actually increased, but I can't prove it. Okay, I hope you found that useful, and I will leave a link in the description for this Fight Simulator website. And finally, I just wanted to talk about an imposter, Crypto Simplified, who is trying to hijack my channel. Basically, I've been making crypto-related content on YouTube since late last year, and just recently, an imposter who has decided to call himself the same name and is also doing similar content. I've tried to contact him through his channel on numerous occasions, but he just deletes my posts. Hopefully, by calling him out on this video, he can at least contact me and we can work something out, and hopefully he can get himself his own YouTube channel name without stealing mine. Those of you who watch both channels, I appreciate your support and see you next time. Bye for now.